What advice would you give to children regarding their responsibilities in the family?
Yes, my advice to children is that every child that really want to succeed massively in life need the blessing of the father. Remember the story in the Bible. Let me cite Bible because some people that will say, "Oh, laying God and of course, you know that the story of Isaac and his wife Rebecca." When there was time for Isaac to pass on, the wife instructed the children to go and hustle. He told them to go and bring what he will eat in order to be happy. You don't know what that prepare something for the man, the Isaac, to be happy, so that you'll be able to pray with happiness. Simple encourages children to always look for something that will make their parents to be happy, to make their father to be happy. It means that it's not always let my father give me, let my father give me. That you are a child. You as a child have the obligation to give to your father so that he will be happy in order to bless you. And that is what the Rebecca seized that opportunity. Sometimes for people who are reading Bible, they don't see the meaning. But the actual meaning is you have to give, yes, because give us never lack. Once you give, your father out of happiness will reciprocate by giving back multiple food. So that is exactly what it does. So Rebecca, being a woman, understand that the father, blessing of a father is paramount, and now encourages the children, the beloved child, yes, to go and prepare something nice to the father so that the blessing will be his. So I'm advising children to always seek for the blessing of the father. Let me tell you, blessing of the father can go a long way. I'm a living witness. When my late father was alive, I happen to be the favorite because I don't normally give issues. I'm a obedient child and everything and everything. So we are very this cordial, very close relationship. And I know, I told my son, I don't have whatever monetary to give you, but I pray for you to succeed in life. And believe in me, whenever I face any challenge, I run to even to my father's grave and pray. I know I do get instant this thing. So my advice is that if you are a child for any reason, you have any issue with your father, make plan now when the man is still alive to go and listen. Look for something that he cherish most. Go there and pray and beg for him for his blessings. Very important. It will take you to a greater height. That's my advice. If the man has passed on, go to his grave. Use egg and go and watch my teaching concerning appeasement. Use egg, oil, salt, and the orgy. Go there for appeasement and beg him that you are truly sorry. That all those things was done when you are because you are adolescent and you don't understand how things work. But now you are knowledgeable that you are deeply sorry. Then I can tell you that that thing you did now can solve problem you are running from one pass or the other. Then if your father is still alive and they are one of those people that side with the mom and they treating the man as a trash, I will tell you to go back and be at peace with that man because without the that man blessings, it will be very difficult for you to succeed in life. All you can do body to see what happened na you na you and you hear me. That you na you and go ya means calamities, give up and so that will cover you. And they would be very wise. You know how to that.